State President, All India Agriculture Students Association, Tamil Nadu. I am holding the office of State President from November 2019 to still date. This video is to inform the members of AASA about the welfare activities and measures taken by AASA Tamil Nadu for the betterment of the agriculture graduates. During December 2019, AASA Tamil Nadu, along with Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, conducted a state-level Tamil literary competition on behalf of Bharatiyar birthday celebrations. In the same December month, All India Agriculture Students Association Tamil Nadu, along with Annamalai University, conducted an international conference at Annamalai University, Chidambaram. During January 7, All India Agriculture Students Association Tamil Nadu, along with Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, on behalf of National Youth Day, conducted state-level sports and literary events. AASA Tamil Nadu on January 18 participated in the National Youth Convention held at IGKV Raipur and bagged 11 national awards for the first time in the history of AASA Tamil Nadu. During May, the All India Agriculture Students Association Tamil Nadu, along with AC&RI Valavachanur, Indian Institute of Agriculture and Thangapalam Institute of Agriculture, conducted cultural events for the students in order to encourage their talents. On May 27, AASA Tamil Nadu conducted a gender body meeting and various student welfare activities and issues were discussed in that meeting. During June 24, AASA Tamil Nadu, along with Mother Teresa College of Engineering and Technology, conducted a national webinar on locust and man. During July 15, on the occasion of Sri Kamaraj's birthday, that is National Educational Developmental Day, ISA launched a separate website to give job opportunities related updates to the agriculture graduates. On that occasion, AASA Tamil Nadu also organized a national level quiz competition. Till date, in All India Agriculture Students Association Tamil Nadu, 1,300 members were newly added in AASA Tamil Nadu. The following are the sum of the issues raised and represented by the ISA to the concerned authorities and the government. ICR exams for the plus 2 completed students should be conducted in their regional language in order to help the students to get into the agriculture sector. In order to attract the youth in agriculture, the separate quota should be given to the son and daughter of the farmers. The teaching assistant, training assistants and subject matter specialists working in SAUs should get a uniform pay scale as per the ICR norms. Regarding the NFSC fellowship for scheduled caste, ISA had taken the steps to include ASRB net in the NFSC fellowship for the scheduled caste. AASA Tamil Nadu also represented the ICR and concerned authorities to reduce the credit load for the undergraduate students. AASA Tamil Nadu also represented the ICAR and concerned authorities to bring the Agri-Uni sports in the Form 3 level certification in order to help the students in job-related activities. AASA Tamil Nadu has also taken initiative to open a new office at Chennai, and also AASA Tamil Nadu has recently taken steps to start the State Agriculture Council in Tamil Nadu in order to regulate the state agriculture education and other agriculture related activities for the betterment of the agriculture graduates in Tamil Nadu. I also thank my cabinet members for supporting me all along on these activities. Thank you.